Okay, so now that we've joined our Quizizz, we are back in Google Classroom, and I want to show you how to complete a Quizizz assignment when you see one pop up in your daily to-do or in your weekly assignments. So we're going to go ahead and select Classworks tab. If you're on your Chromebook, you'll see it up in the top bar, but for me being on my iPad, I see it down in the bottom. But I see this multiplying and dividing fractions assignment. So I'm going to click on that, and we can see that it's got a huge point value. Don't worry about that. You'll see it differently in the actual gradebook. I can add a class comment and say, cool, because, assignments are just so fun. Big fan. But then you can either open Quizizz using the mobile link. So if you are on a tablet or on your phone, you can do it that way. But I'm going to open the web link for Quizizz, and then I'm going to go ahead and just go to Safari. It's going to have me sign in. So make sure again that you are signing in using your DECA email. Oops, it's a .org, not a .com. Pardon me. And then we're going to type in our DECA password. That way we're all signed in for our class. We are going to just go ahead and select allow. And now that I'm signed in, I see it. I can turn on and off the music, the sound effects, the memes, or the read aloud, and I can just start the game. So I'm going to go ahead and start the game here. And now we're going to move through. So it's going to count down. And again, you can complete this on your own accord whenever you want. The first question is, what's 1/2 divided by 6? Well, that's 1/2, or 1/2 times 6, my apologies. So that's going to be 6/2, which simplifies to 3. So we select our answer, shows me a mean, but now I've got 2/3 times 4/5. So 2/3 times 4/5 is going to go ahead and be 8/15. So we get a right answer, and we move on. And for the sake of the video, I'm going to cut out the rest of me answering these questions and a lot of the audio. So we're going to hear some silence now because I'm just going to edit it. Now that we're all done, we can take a look and see our accuracy. And this time, since I was just flying through and answering the questions at random, we can see that I got a 30% accuracy. On all the Quizizz assignments I give you, I'm going to ask you to shoot for 70% accuracy or above. But then I can scroll through and I can review the questions, so I can see which ones I got wrong and I can see which ones I got right, as well as the order in which they appeared. But that's kind of the view that you will see. And then we'll go ahead and minimize the window. But then we are done. So you can either play it again because I've given you unlimited attempts, that way you can continue to do better, or you can just back out and you're good to go. So then if I go back into Google Classroom and everything and I'm done, we can see that I got 3 of the problems right. So it's showing me that I got 30 out of 100 right here. If I were to make the assignment out of 10 points, you would get a 3 out of 10. If I were to make the assignment out of 5 points, then I would be giving you a 1.5 out of 5, and so on and so forth. If you want to leave a private comment, then you can. You just need to click on it, and that's kind of like a direct message to me and only me. So I will add that private comment and say, Mr. Hill, I really struggled with this. Can we schedule a one-on-one soon? And then I can hit send. And the moment I see it, I'll of course respond, and so you would see that in the feed. But that is how you would go about completing a Quizizz assignment. The number 1 rules are: make sure you're signed into your DECA email. Make sure that you are accessing it directly from Google Classroom. So open the link from Google Classroom. And rule 3 is just do your best. I hope you guys found this helpful. Hopefully it is a lot easier for you guys to move through assignments like this here in the future. If you continue to have questions that persist, just try and set up a one-on-one with me, or or just email me and ask me questions. More than happy to help you guys out in any way that I can. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good day.